plan for today. It's the front fender. As you can tell, it's not in very good shape. She's got some serious cracks and repair work going on here. So what I'm trying to do is remove the bad stuff and leave enough that I can still mount it, because these right here are the mounting bolts for the where it attaches to the frame and the supports for it. So my plan is, and I've never seen this done before, although I'm sure somebody's had this genius idea before, probably, is I'm going to go ahead and remove this part from here all the way down, bad part right here, leave this, here's the mounting bolt, and then same here, remove this part from here down, leave this, and then bend those up a little bit and relocate the mounting bolts just a little bit higher. That's the plan. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. Hopefully she's smooth sailing. Can you hold this for me, please? not exactly like I wanted, but let's fix this up a little bit. That did it. I think I'm okay with that. She'll sand off and get her smooth, and well, you're wondering what I'm going to do with that. With the space, I'm thinking a good set of truck mud flaps cut to shape and put back in there would look just fine. You know, and maybe if I'm lucky, I can get the little Yosemite Sam ones that say back off. We're gonna throw this on here real quick and just to see how she fits. I'm sure it's gonna be okay, but let's check it out. All right. He's gonna come back. Yeah, that's gonna work out good. I can just raise these up a little bit and it'll still mount. I'm happy with that. All right, that completes this video of cutting your front fender and trying not to F it up. I think I'm okay with this. Thanks for watching.